Well, I'm so sorry. I didn't know that it would restart like that. But
Oops. Hey, bye.
so we just got out of the freezer and it's really cold. The
super
bowl
scared.
is so cold, so I don't want to mix it yet because I'm so excited. This is gonna be our first successful one. If it works, we don't know yet. So, oh my goodness.
Guys, so this is what it's going. This is what it's looking
This is
like.
what it's looking like right now. It looks like it might be a success. Like, I'm going to get it all off the sides. So I have a little bit more. Oh, wow. I think it's actually going to work. Oh, my
I think
goodness.
this might be our actual first success.
I know.
Oh, yeah, and if you didn't know who was with me,
It's Rose. And same, Jessica.
I already photobombed you earlier.
Yeah, so you kind of know. But, like, I don't know if this is going to be a success or a fail. So I'm going to pick it up now.
Guys.
I'm going
You
to
guys
try.
ready?
I'm going to try it, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna grab it. It worked.
It worked. Yay for us. Like, I'm going to grab
so
all of it real
happy.
quick. I'm grabbing all of it. It's really sticky, so we can add, like, beads if we want in it, but I'm not going to because I don't want to ruin it. Well, it's like, it's not going to ruin it,
Look.
but, you know, like, it's going to...
Let me put it back.
Oh, my hands are getting so messy, though.
Oh wow, it's fun.
Oh,
Let me
I
wash
just
my
dropped
hands
it. So, like, it's already soapy and salty. I don't know if I added too much salt or if...
So
I
yeah,
failed.
guys.
Well, like, it's
Bye.
good enough, you know. So,
See y'all later.
well, that's good enough. So, I'm going to go wash my hands real quick. I cannot pause it because my
Bye.
hands are so sticky and gooey. So, let me go wash them real quick.
Rose, get ready to give them your slime.
Okay, you guys. Well, I just
Ready?
washed my hands, and I'm giving my slime to someone else. I feel like I should put it in the freezer for a little
Can I
while
do it?
longer,
No.
but I'm not. So here's your slime.
I know.
There is successfully good slime.
I can't
So
believe I did it.
I just stepped in slime.
That's amazing.
I just stepped in slime. So you know, I'll get back to you later. So yeah, bye.